Hi everyone, this is Daniel Scranton, and I'm going to channel the Arcturian Council. Greetings. Well, the Arcturian Council. Well, please to know. With all of you is we are very pleased with the progress that we see you all making. As you continue to ask for what is needed for the collective, and then become the conduits for those energies and that information that you know will further the expansion of consciousness within your human collective. There is always going to be a debate about what exactly is needed to turn the tides for humanity, so that you can become the beings of light and love that you are always meant to be. There are debates in the higher realms, just as there are debates there on planet Earth. But you, as an individual, don't have to agree with what anyone else thinks is needed for real changes to occur there on your world. You only need to be in alignment with you. Because you are the one who is living the life that you are living, and you are the one who is observing what you are observing and feeling what you are feeling. And therefore you get to ask for what you think is best for all of humanity. You also then get to align yourself vibrationally with what you have asked for. And that is a truly wondrous and beautiful experience for all of you. You are not just there to be of service to the collective. You are also there to have your own experiences. In the past, you may have looked at your life and wondered why you ever would have chosen to go to Earth and take on so much. Now is the time when all of your hard work pays off. Because you get to receive it first before spreading it around. You get to be the conduits of all that beautiful healing energy that humanity needs now more than ever. You get to work with the grids that have been repaired and restored so much over the past several decades. You are there to save humanity from itself, but you are also there to enjoy the ride. When you attempt to enact change the old-fashioned way, you see where that gets you. People close themselves off to you. They don't want to hear it. Or they laugh at you for believing in things that are so different from the norm. But no one is going to reject the light and love that you project when you access it for all of humanity and spread it around like a human sprinkler system. And yes, when you do it that way, those same people who once thought you were a little bit crazy will find themselves gravitating to you and wanting to know what your secret is. There is no real secret, and nothing that needs to be hidden from anyone else at this point. As you find alignment with yourself, your words, your actions, and your thoughts, you align with Source, and you align with the energies that are coming in to heal the consciousness of your collective. And this is happening whether you participate in it consciously or not. But those of you receiving this message are doing it consciously, and therefore you do get to enjoy the ride. We are the Arcturian Council, and we have enjoyed connecting with you. Caliandra's been here the whole time. She just was lying there. You probably could hear her purring. Or as Talea calls her, the baby one. She's the baby one in the cat family. Thank you. Oh, I hit my finger. Thank you all for watching my little video here. As usual, it's a pleasure as always to be able to give you these messages from above, and I'm so happy that so many of you are out there receiving them. So thank you, and blessings to you and yours. Caliandra, you are wreaking havoc around here now that you're up. We had such a great day today. We had like a typical De La Scranton day off day, and my mom was there. And so we took her to the beach. We took her to two beaches. As usual, we went to the windy one first, the windier one. And it didn't work out. We didn't even unpack our stuff. We were like, no, let's just turn around. Go to the beach that's a little less beautiful in some aspects, definitely less crowded. And we all enjoyed it so much. Had Talea in the water for a little while, not too long, and I got some definite sun today. Can't really tell because my face never gets it. I wear a big floppy hat. But yeah, that's how the day started, and then it ended with us going to feed the horses on Thompson Road and going for a walk. And Talea just saying hi to everybody and commenting that their clothes are on. So it was a fun day. It was a really good day. Oh, and I got such a good night's sleep too, which always helps because I switched up my herbal sleep remedy thing to an old one that had worked for me for a long time until I switched off of that one. I still have bottles of it. So I took it last night, followed my gut. My gut was telling me to do that one, and I slept for longer than I slept for a very long time, so it was nice. And I didn't need to take a nap when Talea took her nap, so I was able to get some work done. Speaking of work, I have 50% off sale still going on. till the 16th. It's coupon code LOVE, enter at checkout, and you get 50% off almost everything on my website, including the hundreds and hundreds of recordings on there, the private sessions with me, channeling lessons from me, but not the group events that are coming up. So I've got a few of those coming up I want to tell you about. Beginner's channeling class. Hello, Gecko. Beginner's group channeling class on the 27th of July. It's a 2-hour class, standalone class where I teach it. That's at danielscranton.com/learn, or look for the link down below on YouTube. And a bigger, much, much bigger course coming up called the Learn to Channel Mega Course. And that one starts September 4th. It's danielscranton.com/mega. That one's 18 hours, 9 class sessions over 8 months, and a private Facebook group for everybody to come together and connect. But it's also the only course or class I do on Zoom with camera on, so it's pretty unique. I'm also going to put on my website tonight the new course, 3-week course that will start in August 9th. It is a Making Contact with ETs course, and I don't know what the shortened URL is for that one. I may have to come up with it. But I'll put a link down below on YouTube. That's a 3-week course, or 4-week course. I'm sorry, it's 4 weeks, that one. I'm Making Contact with ETs. So that's what I've got going on here. Oh, it's Talea's birthday tomorrow. Thank you for all the gifts, those of you who sent gifts. We have a whole shelf in a closet full of them. I'm going to wrap them tomorrow and get all the gift receipts together so I can thank everybody. But we're having a very small gathering. It got smaller because Talea's little friend is sick and his parents are also sick. So they're not coming, but we're just going to have the smallest of small gatherings here and go see the new Trolls movie, which we haven't been to a movie theater in over 2 years, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So that's happening tomorrow and very exciting. And I started watching a show that I thought was created by Tina Fey, but I think it's just executive produced by Tina Fey, called Girls 5 Eva on Peacock TV streaming. And that's really good. I'm enjoying it. It's got the same kind of comedic vibe as Kimmy Schmidt and 30 Rock, which are Tina Fey's other two very successful shows. Whoa, Polyandra. I hope your week's going well. It's so relaxing to have this time off with my mom and my wife, feeling so supported, and having someone to help her with Talea is really great. Besides me, I can only do so much. So it's been great. I hope your week's going well too. And I'm still doing my weekly Q&A on Thursday, by the way, in case you're wondering. Still doing that. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being a part of my journey and following my journey as a father, which has been so phenomenal. It's just been the greatest thing I've ever done, and I'm so excited that she's turning 2 tomorrow, and she's like continuing to grow and come up with new words every day. Today I heard her refer to this pair of underwear, because her potty training is going really well, as orange, and I was like, oh my god, she knows the color orange now. So it's been so much fun, and I'm so happy to hear from all of you who are doing well and thriving, and attribute some of that to the Arcturians coming through me. So thank you all. I love you. Blessings to you and yours. Namaste. See you tomorrow. I'll be back with another one. Please hit subscribe on YouTube. Everywhere else, just come back where you are right now, and I'll do another one tomorrow. Bye-bye.